Welcome to Doodle Chinese. Let's make learning Chinese fun, simple, and practical. I'm so hungry.
Then order something yummy.
Easy. How hard can ordering food be? 1 chair, please.
Ben, did you just order a chair?
Yes. I saw people keep asking for a seat.
That means a place to sit, not dinner.
So I can't eat the chair?
Please don't. Would you like chicken instead?
Only if they come with a chair.
Ben, just say chicken, please.
Hello, 1 bowl of chairs, please. Bao, this menu looks like a treasure map, and I forgot the treasure.
Relax. That's
菜单
just look at the pictures. Now it's time to
点菜
Diǎn sounds a bit like dine.
That was clever. Before you dine.
点菜
Hey, food person, over here.
Ben, just say
服务员服务员
they'll know exactly who you're calling.
These chopsticks are plotting against me.
They're called
筷子
Relax. The peanut is winning. Kuài sounds a little like quick. One day, you'll use chopsticks quickly, too.
Water, water, my mouth is on fire.
Here's some
水水
Shuǐ. Imagine taking a big sip after spicy food.
spicy. But still
好吃吃
sounds like chew. If you keep chewing, it's probably
好吃
I'm so full. Do we just leave all this?
no way we.
打包
Tomorrow's lunch is already waiting.
Wait, I want to pay the bill.
买单
Too slow. In China, friends always fight to pay.
Challenge accepted. Next time, I'm winning. Great. These are today's key vocabulary words. Let's learn them one by one. So, how do I actually order food in Chinese?
Just say
点菜点菜点
means to choose or select, and
菜
means dish or food. Together,
点菜
literally means choose the dishes. That's what everyone says when they're ready to order in a restaurant.
So first I choose the dishes. Then I choose to eat too much. This menu has 200 dishes. How am I supposed to choose?
That's
菜单菜单
Cai means food or dishes,
单
means a list. So, cai dan literally means food list.
Oh, a food list. That sounds much less scary than a treasure map. My mouth says it's spicy, but I can't stop eating.
That's because it's
好吃好吃
how means good and
吃
means to eat. Chinese people say
好吃
whenever food tastes really good.
Can I just say, hey, food person?
Much better to say
服务员服务员服务
means service and
员
refers to a person who provides that service. So,
服务员
literally means service staff.
So basically, a professional helper.
You can use this word not only in restaurants, but also in hotels, shops, or other public places when you need assistance.
I'm full. Should we just leave the food?
No way!
打包打包
Means packing leftover food to take home. In China, wasting good food is usually discouraged, so people often ask to pack leftover.
打包
My mouth is on fire. Water, please.
水
Shui. In China, people often drink warm shui, even with meals. Don't be surprised if you do not get ice water automatically.
Warm water? That's today's biggest culture shock. So, when I'm ready to pay, what do I say?
Just say 买单
买单买
usually means to buy,
买
not literally mean buy the bill. It is the natural Chinese expression for paying the restaurant bill.
Why is the peanut faster than I am?
These are
筷子筷子
Chinese children grow up learning to use.
筷子
It takes practice. But once you get it, They feel completely natural.
So today's winner is the peanut.
Now, are you ready for some fun time?
点菜，菜单，服务员，好吃，水，打包，点菜，点菜，打包，买单，
Please read after me.
点菜，点菜，菜单，菜单，好吃，好吃，服务员，服务员，买单，买单，筷子，筷子，打包，打包，水，水。
Bonus time, where we uncover some fun and quirky cultural facts.
Bao, why are you grabbing my hand? I said I'd pay.
That's normal in China. Friends often fight to pay the bill.
Wait, people actually argue about paying?
Not because they want to spend money. It's a way to show generosity, friendship, and respect.
So, if nobody fights to pay?
Your friends might think you weren't trying very hard.
Wow, I need faster hands next time.
In China, sometimes the biggest battle happens after the meal.
How hard can ordering food in Chinese be? Watch me. 菜单点菜服务员筷子好吃水买单打包
Congratulations, Ben! Great job!
I survived my first Chinese restaurant. Next challenge, a Chinese supermarket. How hard can that be? See you in lesson 3.